When a customer came in complaining that the check engine light was on, I began the diagnostic process by connecting a scan tool. The scan tool revealed the code P0507, idle air control system RPM higher than expected. This code typically indicates that the engine idle speed is higher than the manufacturer's specified range, which can be caused by various issues, such as air intake leaks or problems with the throttle body. I started by inspecting the fuel system for any potential faults, such as clogged injectors or fuel pressure irregularities, but everything was in proper condition. Next, I performed a visual inspection of the air intake system, checking for any obvious issues such as loose hoses, cracks, or disconnected components. Again, everything appeared to be in good shape. To ensure there were no hidden leaks in the intake system, I connected a smoke machine to the engine's intake manifold. By inducing smoke into the system, I was able to check for any leaks that might allow unmetered air into the engine, which could cause the idle speed to increase. The smoke test revealed no leaks, confirming that the intake system was sealed properly. I then inspected the throttle body and noticed it was coated in carbon deposits. Over time, carbon can build up on the throttle body's inner surfaces, restricting airflow and causing irregularities in the idle control system. This build-up can confuse the engine control module ECM by altering the airflow measurements, leading to the P0507 code. To fix the issue, I thoroughly cleaned the throttle body to remove the carbon deposits. After cleaning, I cleared the fault codes and performed a road test to verify the repair. The vehicle operated smoothly, the idle speed returned to normal, the check engine light stayed off, and no fault codes returned. This approach ensured the issue was resolved correctly by systematically ruling out potential causes and addressing the root problem. Cleaning the throttle body is a crucial maintenance step, as carbon buildup can affect engine performance and fuel efficiency over time. By restoring proper airflow and idle control, the vehicle's performance. When a customer came in complaining that the check